I only enjoy my egusi prepared this way. In my place, we call it Fufu soup, Akpu, and it's a very delicious egusi soup. Stay tuned and see how this was prepared. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. First, we add in our well-cooked meat, stockfish, cooked with only seasoning cubes, salt and some pepper. We add it into the pot with crayfish. We also add in our crayfish. Let's be generous with our crayfish. Crayfish are needed, much needed in most of African soups, or let me say Nigerian soups. Then when we've added this, we're also going to be adding well-washed pomo, cow skin, already parboiled. I love using these parboiled ones because I'll cut them into tiny pieces. We're going to be using yellow scotch bonnet peppers. I blended it together with my Okpeye. Always look for original Okpeye. We're going to be adding it into this pot. Be generous with your Okpeye. Okpeye is needed in this. And we're also going to be adding water in the pot, the water that will be enough for cooking the soup. Then we're also going to be adding our seasoning cubes and of course salt to taste. Then when we've done this, we'll now cover our pot and allow it to boil. While our soup is boiling, let's talk about the major ingredients in this soup, which is the melons. In our melon, well blended, smoothly blended melons, we add a little bit of water, then we try and knead the melon. We knead it, we mix it very well. You could use pestle and mortar for this, but there's no need. You could still knead your hand, but make sure you mix it and knead very well. Then you start molding your melons into or egusi into smaller balls. This is what makes it lumpy and special and delicious, of course. So after molding this egusi, we'll now add it back into our already soup base that is boiling. We add it into, then close back our pot and allow it to cook like say 15 to 20 minutes to make sure that this egusi is well done. Then we also add in our palm oil into the pot. So when you're through with adding this palm oil, you cover back your pot and allow it cook more. Then when it's have cooked more, you add in your dried, well-washed dry fish into the pot. You add in it now so that the fish doesn't get to be scattered. You still want to get them whole when you're done with cooking. So this time you try and cut your melons into tiny pieces, okay, into desired pieces. You cut some and leave some, you know. Then when your show is done, you add in your blended cooked cocoyam into the pot, then leave the pot open while you mix and make sure everything is well mixed into the soup. Then when it's all mixed up, you now add in your well washed bitter leaf into the soup. Well washed bitter leaf, make sure it's well washed. Then you add it back into the soup, turn it very well and cook like 10 minutes more while stirring your food to make sure everything is well mixed. And there you have your yummy egusi soup thickened with cocoyam. This is all about the soup, very easy to prepare. Thank you guys for your engagement on my video. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.